Hey you guys, I wanted to show you what I got tonight for work this weekend and just kind of some of the staples that I like to get. So I got these ice drinks. I got 10 of them for $10. My favorite one right now is this strawberry, where is it? Strawberry lemonade. This one's so good. I got 3 bangs, the rose, cotton candy, purple haze. I got some shredded lettuce, pickles, and bread. My favorite one is Village Hearth at the moment for BLTs. And then...
And real staples.
Get out of here. And then I got... This is my favorite turkey bacon. Oh, I get why you did that. Because it's a staple. Wow, okay. Turkey bacon from Trader Joe's is pretty much similar to this. Jason is cutting up celery. If you hear that, he's cutting it for me. Thank you, honey. And then I got Jason his bacon here. Some bacon for him for BLTs. And then I got tomatoes. I like the little grape tomatoes cut up, put on my BLTs. Super delish. And then for lunch this weekend, I'm going to be having chili. And so I bought some whole tomatoes to throw on that, some cheese to put in it, and sour cream. I like the light sour cream. And then I'm also going to put mushrooms in it. I got a thing of cottage cheese, another can of my favorite chicken I always rave about. And then I got some caramel rice cakes, light string cheese. The Crystal Farms one is really, really good. Some peaches or nectarines. I think these are nectarines.
Nectarines.
Okay, these are nectarines. Bananas. And then I got, this is only 4 points, you guys. The slow roasted turkey breast. What's cool about Smart Ones is it tells you the Smart points on the top there. So
pretty smart about it.
I'm really excited to try this one. And then I got the meatloaf one to try. So I'm bringing chili, but just in case, because you never know. I work nights. Obviously, you guys know I say that a million times in my videos. But if something was to go wrong, like I drop my chili on the floor, or I don't know, just something, I'm going to bring one of these for backup because I would be screwed, literally. So this is just like a mini grocery haul. This will last me I want to say at least 3 days, maybe more, just because like this stuff will last, the cottage cheese will last. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this. If you do, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Say bye.